Gujarat, a state on India's west coast, holds many secrets. This vibrant state is known for its rich history, diverse culture, and stunning landscapes. From the bustling cities to the serene countryside, Gujarat offers a unique blend of experiences that captivate the hearts of travelers. But beyond the well-trodden paths lies a hidden gem that few have discovered. One such secret is Mahuva. Nestled along the coastline, this quaint town is often overlooked by tourists, making it a perfect destination for those seeking tranquility and authenticity. Mahuva is a place where the old-world charm meets the natural beauty of the coast. This town is a hidden gem. With its lush greenery, pristine beaches, and serene environment, Mahuva offers a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The town's scenic beauty is complemented by its warm and welcoming community, making it a delightful place to visit. It sits on the coast and is known for its natural beauty. The coastline of Mahuva is dotted with picturesque beaches that are perfect for a leisurely stroll or a quiet moment of reflection. The gentle waves and the soft sand create a soothing ambience that is hard to find elsewhere. Mahuva offers a unique blend of coast, nature, and history. The town is home to several historical buildings that tell the story of its rich past. These structures, set against the backdrop of natural beauty, create a mesmerizing contrast that is both intriguing and enchanting. Mahuva is more than just a dot on the map. It is a destination that promises a journey through time and nature. The town's strategic location along the coast has made it a significant spot throughout history, and today it continues to charm visitors with its timeless appeal. It's a place where time seems to slow down. The quiet streets and serene beaches offer a perfect setting for relaxation and introspection. As the sun sets over the horizon, the town is bathed in a golden glow, creating a magical atmosphere that is simply unforgettable. The town invites you to experience its charm. From the bustling town centre to the scenic spots that dot the landscape, Mahuva has something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or simply looking for a peaceful retreat, this town has it all. Whether you seek adventure or peace, Mahuva has something for you. The town offers a range of activities that cater to different interests. From exploring the natural trails to engaging in water sports, there is no shortage of things to do in Mahuva. Mahuva is a place of vibrant culture. The town comes alive during festivals with traditional dance performances and cultural events that showcase the rich heritage of the region. These celebrations are a testament to the town's lively spirit and cultural diversity. The locals are known for their warmth. The people of Mahuva are friendly and hospitable, always ready to welcome visitors with open arms. Their genuine warmth and kindness add to the town's charm, making every visitor feel at home. The town is also famous for its delicious food. Mahuva's culinary scene is a delightful mix of traditional flavors and local specialties. From street food stalls to cozy eateries, the town offers a gastronomic experience that is sure to tantalize your taste buds. Mahuva promises an authentic Indian experience. The town's rich culture, natural beauty, and warm hospitality come together to create an experience that is truly unique. Visitors can immerse themselves in the local way of life and create memories that will last a lifetime. It is a place where you can truly connect with nature and culture. Whether you're exploring the nature trails or visiting the cultural landmarks, Mahuva offers a perfect blend of experiences that allow you to connect with the essence of India. This hidden treasure of Gujarat is waiting to be discovered. Mahuva boasts a stunning coastline stretching as far as the eye can see. The clear blue waters are a sight to behold, reflecting the sky in a mesmerizing dance of colors. This coastal gem is a haven for those seeking a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Mahuva Beach is a must-visit destination for travelers. Whether you're looking to take a leisurely stroll along the shore or simply bask in the sun, this beach offers something for everyone. The landscape is a perfect blend of natural beauty and tranquility, making it an ideal spot for relaxation. This beach is known for its tranquility, providing a serene escape from the noise and stress of city life. The calm waters gently lap against the shore, creating a soothing soundtrack that calms the mind and soul. It's a place where you can truly unwind and find peace. The soft golden sand invites you to relax and let go of your worries. As you walk along the beach, the sand feels like a gentle massage under your feet. It's the perfect place to lay down a towel, close your eyes, and soak in the warmth of the sun. The gentle waves create a soothing rhythm that is both calming and hypnotic. Each wave that rolls in brings with it a sense of peace and tranquility. It's easy to lose track of time as you listen to the waves and watch them dance along the shore. The beach is perfect for long walks, offering a seemingly endless stretch of sand to explore. Whether you're walking alone, with a loved one, or with friends, the experience is always magical. The fresh sea breeze and the sound of the waves make every step a joy. You can collect seashells along the shore, each one a unique treasure from the sea. The beach is dotted with these natural gems waiting to be discovered. It's a delightful activity for both children and adults, adding an element of adventure to your beach day. The sunrise and sunset views are breathtaking, painting the sky in a palette of vibrant colors. Watching the sun rise or set over the horizon is a truly magical experience, one that stays with you long after you've left the beach. It's a perfect moment to reflect and appreciate the beauty of nature. Mahuva Beach offers a sanctuary from the hustle of city life, a place where you can find solitude and peace. The quiet and serene environment allows you to disconnect from the world and reconnect with yourself. It's a place where time seems to stand still and worries fade away. The air is fresh and salty, invigorating your senses with every breath. The scent of the sea is both refreshing and calming, a reminder of the natural beauty that surrounds you. It's a place where you can breathe deeply and feel rejuvenated. The sound of the waves is therapeutic, a natural melody that soothes the mind and soul. It's a sound that can lull you into a state of relaxation, helping you to forget your worries and simply be in the moment. The waves are nature's lullaby, a gentle reminder of the ocean's timeless beauty. Mahuva Beach is a place to unwind and reconnect with yourself. Whether you're meditating, reading a book, or simply lying on the sand, this beach offers the perfect setting for relaxation. It's a sanctuary where you can find inner peace and leave feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Mahuva is a haven for nature lovers. The region boasts diverse flora and fauna. Lush greenery surrounds the town. You can find a variety of plant species here. The area is also home to various animals. Birds, insects, and reptiles thrive in this ecosystem. Nearby wildlife sanctuaries offer a glimpse into Gujarat's natural wonders. These sanctuaries protect endangered species. They are important for conservation efforts. A visit to Mahuva is incomplete without experiencing its natural wonders. Section 4. Bounty of the land. Agriculture in Mahuva. Agriculture is the backbone of Mahuva's economy. The fertile land yields a rich variety of crops. Mangoes are a specialty of this region. Other crops include cotton, groundnut, and wheat. The town is a major producer of these agricultural products. The locals take pride in their farming traditions. The weekly markets are a sight to behold. Farmers bring their fresh produce to sell. You can taste the authentic flavors of Mahuva's bounty. Section 5. Echoes of the past historical landmarks. Mahuva is steeped in history. Ancient temples and structures dot the landscape. The Bhartana Mandir is a significant landmark. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is known for its intricate carvings. The temple attracts devotees and history enthusiasts alike. These historical landmarks tell stories of the past. They offer a glimpse into Mahuva's rich heritage. Exploring these sites is like taking a journey back in time. Section 6. The rhythm of nature, climate, and best time to visit. Mahuva experiences a tropical climate. Summers can be hot and humid. The monsoon season brings much-needed rainfall. The best time to visit is during the winter months. The weather is pleasant and cool. This period is ideal for exploring the outdoors. From October to March, the temperature is comfortable. You can enjoy sightseeing and other activities. Plan your trip accordingly to make the most of your visit. Section 7. Mahuva beckons. A hidden gem awaits. Mahuva is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Nestled on the western coast of India, this quaint town is often overlooked by travelers, making it a perfect destination for those seeking an off-the-beaten-path experience. The town's charm lies in its simplicity and the warmth of its people. As you wander through its streets, you'll find a blend of old-world charm and modern amenities, making it a unique place to visit. It's a perfect blend of nature, history, and culture. The lush green landscapes, pristine beaches, and historical landmarks offer a picturesque setting that is both relaxing and invigorating. The town's rich history is evident in its ancient temples and forts, which tell stories of a bygone era. The cultural heritage of Mahuva is equally fascinating, with traditional festivals and local crafts that provide a glimpse into the lives of its residents. The town offers something for everyone. From serene nature trails and bird-watching spots to bustling markets and vibrant cultural performances, Mahuva caters to a wide range of interests. Adventure seekers can explore the nearby hills and forests, while those looking for relaxation can unwind on the tranquil beaches. The local cuisine, with its unique flavors and fresh ingredients, is a treat for food lovers. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a history buff, or simply seeking a peaceful getaway, Mahuva has it all. The town's natural beauty is complemented by its historical significance, making it a destination that appeals to both the heart and the mind. The peaceful retreats and scenic spots offer a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, allowing you to reconnect with nature and yourself. The warm hospitality of the locals will make you feel welcome. The people of Mahuva are known for their friendliness and generosity, and they take pride in sharing their culture and traditions with visitors. Whether you're attending a local festival, participating in a traditional dance, or simply chatting with a shopkeeper, you'll feel a sense of belonging and community that is truly special. Mahuva is a destination that will stay with you long after you leave. The memories you create here, whether it's watching a stunning sunset over the ocean, exploring ancient ruins, or enjoying a delicious meal with new friends, will linger in your heart and mind. The town's unique blend of natural beauty, historical significance, and cultural richness makes it a place that leaves a lasting impression. It's a place where you can create lasting memories. Every corner of Mahuva has a story to tell, and every experience here is an opportunity to make new memories. Whether you're traveling with family, friends, or on your own, you'll find that Mahuva offers countless moments of joy and discovery. The town's serene environment and friendly atmosphere make it an ideal destination for creating unforgettable experiences. So pack your bags and embark on an unforgettable journey to Mahuva. This hidden gem is waiting to be explored, and it promises to offer an experience that is both enriching and rejuvenating. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, Mahuva has something to offer. Don't miss the chance to discover this charming town and create memories that will last a lifetime.